Hello, welcome back to another video from Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. I know y'all see these boxes, but that's not the focus of the video. Today, I'm so excited. I got 6 brand new fragrances. Most of these are blind buys. I got 2 packages, a big ass one from Uomo shop and a small package from this brand new discounter that someone in my comments recommended to me. I think it's called like discount perfume, something like that. It was really cheap. I got some good deals, so hopefully they're legit. Hopefully I didn't get scammed. But without further ado, without wasting any more of your time, let's review these brand new 6 blind buys and hope that I didn't waste my money. Let's start off with the most famous and popular one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So first of all, let's see if these colognes are real. Because if it's not real, whoever commented that comment, I'm gonna sue your ass. The first cologne that I got here is Stronger With You Intensely. This is gonna be a real first impressions video. Usually I record TikToks first and then I do my first impressions here on YouTube. But since TikTok's getting banned and I was never a big fan of it anyway, we're gonna do it here on YouTube for you guys. You guys are gonna get my first reaction. Y'all been hyping it up a lot. Y'all say it's better than the Star of the Most Wanted Parfum, which I don't believe you guys. Here we go. Oh shit, hell yeah. Hell yeah, it looks pretty legit to me for right now. It looks pretty legit. I know the lighting won't let you guys see every little detail, but to me, everything seems nice. I'm gonna try not to really edit this video and not cut anything out. Like, obviously if I stutter, I will cut it out, but I'm trying to make it like as real as it gets. And let's see my real first impression. I get a very strong resemblance to a Star of the Most Wanted Parfum. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Ooh, actually, hold up. Damn, that reminded me of like After 9 p.m., that type of vanilla. And it might do it better. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hype it up. It might do it better, low key. My room just filled up with a amazing warm aroma. I can't describe it. Damn, I might have gotten it too late. I should have gotten this like 2 months ago, like for Christmas and shit, but we still got a decent amount of winter coming, so I'm definitely excited to wear this. Let me spray it on skin. I got 6 colognes. I'm not gonna spray all of them on skin, but this one has to be the one that I do. It's really mass appealing. Like this can be a compliment getter. I know why this on every YouTuber's top 10 compliment getters. I know my girl's gonna love this one. I just know it. Watch when I do another ranking colognes for my girlfriend video. I'm gonna take this one. She's gonna love it. Hopefully, you know, hopefully. I'm just saying that because I spent, this one was on discount perfumes for $86. $86 for a 3.4 ounce. So that's what I'm saying. These deals I couldn't pass on them. First impression, I'm gonna say a decent 8.5 out of 10. Let's put it back in the box so that I can do the TikTok reviews, but don't tell them that I already opened it. Don't tell them. By the way, all these colognes are gonna be available on smellbettersamples.com. If you want to buy your own samples, make sure to use code JustSmellBetter for 5% off. Thank you very much. Oh man, my room's gonna smell so good after this video. Let's just continue with the package from discount perfumes. The next cologne that I got here is Prada Black. Prada Black by Prada. You know, Prada Luna Rosa Black. This one on discount perfumes, I got it for $72. I think it was like $76 for a 3.4, which, to put into perspective, on Uomo shop, I was gonna get a 1.7 ounce, a 50 ml, half the size, for $72. So I paid $4 more to get like double the amount. That's an amazing deal. I thought Uomo shop was the best discounter. Apparently this one is the best one. Let's check it out. We got Prada Luna Rosa Carbon, or not Carbon, Prada Luna Rosa Black. Let's see what this one smells like. I know if it's fake because I've smelled this one on store, but let's just remember what it smells like. Yup, it smells pretty dark, pretty masculine. So I get a little bit of woodiness. First of all, I get a little bit of powder, like some iris, and I also get a little bit of vanilla, of course. So it's a nice mixture of vanilla, some iris, and of course the woody notes, which makes it smell masculine. That's why it's called Black, Luna Rosa Black. This one has a lot of potential to be, you know, like a signature scent for date nights. Just like Stronger With You, It's pretty addictive, not gonna lie. It's pretty addictive. Like I said, I smelled this on a store before. I was in Sephora, and then we went to a movie theater. And during the movie theater, I was getting little whiffs of Prada Black, and I was like, damn, I've been missing out. I need to pick it up as soon as possible, so here it is. I'm gonna have to give it like a 7 out of 10. Just a little bit less addictive and pleasing than Stronger With You, but that doesn't mean it's bad at all. So for right now, 7 out of 10, it's not bad. You guys know my ratings are tough as hell. Yeah, good first impression. So far, I haven't wasted my money on a single one. It is time for the big boy box. Look at this box. This one is of course from Joma Shop. Let's see what we got from Joma Shop. Let's see what we got. Oh shit, this feels like Christmas all over again. Let's start off with a Lattafa. Let's go for, man, I pulled out the one that I don't know how to pronounce. Let's go for Lattafa AL Nashama. Lattafa AL Nashama. Some shit like that, bro. It's a clone of YSL Blue Electric, which is discontinued because I can't find it anywhere. Big ass box, what the fuck? This one is a complete blind buy. Hopefully I didn't waste my 30 bucks because 30 bucks, it's kind of expensive for a clone, you know, for a Lattafa cologne especially. A big ass box for a big ass bottle. Look at this shit. It doesn't look appealing at all. I'm not excited to put it on my display. This looks horrible. Probably top two worst looking colognes in my collection. Not even gonna lie. Might be the first one. But let's see. Why is the cap so big? Look at this cologne like this. Man, right away, bad first impressions. But let's see what the smell smells like. You know what I mean? Let's see. From the air, I don't get anything special. To me, it seems like I bought a generic blue fragrance. I get a little bit of Dylan Blue, maybe a little bit of course, YSL, that YSL DNA. I know YSL Y and Lanita L'Homme are different lines, but you're still gonna get that similar DNA. And maybe, of course, some Bleu de Chanel. Yes, I know I just named the top 3 most popular blue fragrances, but to me, that's what it smells like. I get a little bit of like blue fragrance, Bive times fruity Bive. I know I said I wasn't gonna cut most of this out, but I just spent like 5 minutes trying to come up with something to say about this. I'm trying to pick up something nice, but low-key, I'm not picking anything up. This might be the worst blind buy in the whole session. Not gonna go too into it because I will test it out properly. My nose is a little tired, but for right now, this is a first impressions video. First impression, it's gotta be like a 3 out of 10, not gonna lie. 3 out of 10 for right now, not too impressed. But I do have to give it a fair try in the future. But I need to move on because or else this is gonna be a long ass video. Lattafa, what the fuck was the name? Lattafa AL Nashama, 3 out of 10 for right now. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint in the future. Next up, we got Dolce&Gabbana The One EDT. This is the tester bottle because of course I'm saving myself some money. And thank you to Dylan or Dylan, however you say your name. I had a friend and we pronounced it Dylan for buying my Dolce&Gabbana The One EDT Parfum. Thank you so much for buying it from my sample store. You're the reason why I got this one. It's gonna smell amazing, bro. I already know. This cost me around $43, $44, and I sold mine for $40. I think it was a good trade because I think I like this one a little bit better. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. Let's see. A lot better in my opinion, my humble opinion. I know a lot of YouTubers prefer the Dolce&Gabbana The One EDT Parfum. I prefer the EDT, like a little bit less sweet, a little bit more masculine, a little bit more for like romantic date nights. That's just the vibe that I get from it. This one is a more wearable one, at least for me. So I can't wait to actually wear the Dolce&Gabbana The One DNA because it's some of the best stuff you're ever gonna smell. So thank you, Dylan, for supporting me very much, and hopefully you enjoy your bottle of Dolce&Gabbana The One EDT Parfum. 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10 for sure. Stronger With You intensely, I think it's still gonna be better than Dolce&Gabbana, but we'll see, We got 2 more, hang in there, hang on tight. Thank you for watching this long. Next up, we got, what the fuck is this? Another big ass bottle from Lattafa, big ass box. This is Lattafa Vintage Radio. Another really hyped Lattafa cologne. I don't know if it's only me or if you guys see this too, but every big ass YouTuber makes at least one Lattafa video a week, and I think I found out the reason why. So I make you know, like 4 videos a week, and most of these videos I am monetized. I make like $1, $2, $3 per video. I made a Lattafa video, I made a TikTok cologne video, I got $17 from it, and I got 1.7K views. That's not normal. I feel like Lattafa and TikTok are boosting these YouTubers' monetization when they make Lattafa videos. I think that's the reason why they make it. I'm just being honest. I'm being like transparent here. So I thought, why not get more Lattafa so I can get paid a lot more? Box is decent, but I'm gonna throw it out. Like, I don't want this big bulky box in my collection. Actually, look at this. You kind of open it like a lighter. You know what I mean? Like let's check it out. Oh shit, the bottle is looking kind of nice. Yeah, people hype it up because apparently it's a clone of Initio it's not Pentagon, it's a clone of Initio Paragon, some shit like that, which I did smell in store, but I haven't smelled this one, so it's still 50-50 blind buy. Let's smell it. Let's see if I wasted my money on another Lattafa. Okay, so I see why some of you in the comments were warning me about this one, about just being like a fruity synthetic mess, but I quite like it. I quite enjoy it. I know it's probably not a note, but I pick up a little bit of cherry. Yeah, I quite like it. I'm not a big fan usually of fruity colognes. I'm not a big fan of fruity fragrances. I don't got that many, but this one I'm quite liking it, at least in the air. So I feel like this one has to be another one that I spray on skin. It's only fair. That was a big ass pump. I'm wet right now. Let's see. It's not bad at all. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. I don't know if it's worth the hype that y'all put it through. So for right now, first impression of vintage radio, I'm gonna have to say like a 6 out of 10 maybe. Yeah, 6 out of 10. Good job, Lattafa. You created a decent cologne. It's decent, you know. I have beef with Lattafa. It's like 50-50 with them. We're finally at the last one. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. We got Valentino Uomo Born in Roma EDT, the Eau de Toilette. Now, why did I buy this one and not the Born in Roma Intense? I actually smelled the Born in Roma Intense in store. I sprayed a spray on my hand, and not gonna lie, it wasn't that good, you know. It wasn't that good. I got that bubblegum sweetness. It was decent. It was a type of sweetness that wasn't too like intoxicating, but not that big of a fan, not gonna lie. Like, it's a little bit overhyped. So let's check out the Valentino Born in Roma Eau de Toilette. Let's see the atomizer. Man, I like this one a lot more. A lot more. I get a little bit more freshness combined with that sweetness. But the sweetness, I don't know how to explain it. It's a little bit less of that bubblegum sweetness and a little bit more of that sexy sweetness that I like. Like, the sweetness is different. I don't know, man. When I looked at the notes on Fragrantica, it was a little bit less vanilla, a little bit less of those darker notes and more freshness, more aquatic notes. I like the smell. It's one of these colognes you can wear to the gym, you can wear to school, especially at school. You can wear to work. It's gonna get you compliments. It's gonna work in every occasion. It's not too intense, not too sweet, not too synthetic. I think it's gonna get like a 7.5. A 7.5, a little bit better than Prada Black, but not enough to reach Stronger With You Intensely. Out of all the 6 colognes, this one is still standing strong, beating even Valentino, which is another really respected brand and another really popular brand, still the most popular brands right here. But that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know which cologne you prefer. Let me know which one's your favorite one. From all the ones that I got today, my favorite one, Stronger With You, and of course the Valentino, and then Prada Black and Dolce&Gabbana The One can battle it. The Lattafas, I don't know, I'm gonna have to do a little thinking. I'm gonna have to do a little brainstorming and then come up with a video dedicated to Lattafas, just for the sake of Lattafa, just for the sake of the video, not for the money, not for the money. But thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the end. You're a real one. Yeah, just smell better, bro. Just smell better. Thank you so much.